Today I'm going to be making the popular Lebanese salad. It's called Tabbouleh and it's made out of parsley, chopped tomatoes, chopped green onions, fresh mint, bulgur. Well, it's actually in Lebanese it's bulgur. I don't know why in English they flip the two letters. It's bulgur. So it's kind of like a cracked wheat if you look at the consistency. So, and then we have some olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and some allspice. So first, before we start anything, before I start mixing anything, I'm going to soak the bulgur. Let's give it a quick stir. So I went ahead and chopped about, I think it was 2 large bunches of parsley. You want to chop them pretty finely, as you can see. And then I did 4 medium-sized tomatoes, and then a bunch and a half of green onions. You can use, some people use regular onions. I like the taste of the green onions in this salad. And yeah, you can use more or less. It's totally up to you. So I'm going to go ahead and mix everything up. First, you want to pour the parsley in a bigger bowl. Then you want to add the tomatoes. Green onions. And as usual, I always put the ingredients and the method in my description. So as you can see, it looks amazing already with all the bright colors from the vegetables. And then I will add the fresh mint. If you don't have fresh mint, you can use dried mint. Fresh is always better though. Okay, so with the cracked wheat here, the bulgur, I am going to strain it. You want to squeeze out as much of the water as you can. And just like that, just dump it over the salad. Give it a quick stir, a quick mix. Allspice. Some salt in there. Mix it up a little bit. taste, take a sample of your salad before you serve it to anybody else. Make sure it tastes right. Okay. And that's that time right now. It's nice being a chef. Wow. Okay. Look how gorgeous that looks. So it's very popular and it's very a nice way to eat. Like if you don't want to eat it with any type of meat, any type of other side dish or anything, but you can use lettuce. So you will find that this tastes amazing eating it with lettuce. I'm just going to demonstrate how you fill the lettuce leaf. And you just eat it. Trust me, it makes a huge difference eating it. Excuse me. All right, everybody, so there you have it. The popular tabbouleh, Lebanese tabbouleh salad. Trust me, you will love this salad. If you have any questions about how or what you should do, or if I missed anything you think, just don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comments below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time.